The next concept is the comfort style. So you might be wondering, what is so special about comfort style? Any garment is supposed to be comfortable. Not so, because in kids sector we have lots of design elements and it's the most dynamic apparel sector compared to women and men. So here we have challenges like you take care of the fabric, the design restrictions are there. You take care of the design, then you have fabric restrictions, or sometimes you take care of the season, you have color restrictions, fabric restrictions. So it is really a big challenge to put in all elements of design in the right blend and come up with the most comfortable design for kids. So no matter whatever design you are giving to the child, we have to make sure that it's going to be comfortable. So this season, the entire underlying principle of fashion for kids is going to be the comfort part. So whether you're going to design a romper, whether you're going to design a frock, a gown, whatever it can be, you need to make sure that the bottom line is the comfort is taken care. So how are we going to achieve this? As designers, of course it's a constraint, but as a parent, if you look at it, the first thing comes into picture is the comfort. So the design takes the second priority here. So when people come for shopping, we need to promote that why particular design is so. Why a romper is not designed in some cotton or something, why it is being designed in cotton or a blend of cotton. So a mother or a father, whoever is shopping, they will understand, oh okay, this is the reason why there is a new fabric this time in the same romper, or there is a different fabric being used in a frock. So stereotypically what was being used will be replaced by newer fabric, will be replaced by newer finishes this season, wherein the design will be overpowered by the comfort factor. So that is going to be the trend in kids sector 24-25. Logically speaking, colors, there's no restriction for kids, because in a kid's world, all colors work better, actually the best. But all said and done, there has to be some logic when we implement a set of colors, because color is what works on our minds. So color acts as a source of energy. They are the unseen packets of energy that work on our mind, on our body. When we wear right color, we experience better energy and we have a better mood, we carry a better mood. So keeping this in mind, this season, for kids especially, all colors are there on the palette. So whether it is the pastel color or the vivid color, the bright color, the bold color, all kinds of colors, the tonal colors, all will be part of the kids' wardrobe. Specifically speaking, vivid colors, that is, you will have lots of orange with contrasting blues, greens, yellows. So these are going to be the major part of kids' wardrobe this season, vibrant colors. So that doesn't stop us from using some pastel color for very young babies, or it doesn't stop us from using red, gold, bronze and all in an ethnic garment, right? So everything is going to be in the scenario this type.